Imagine waking up every day feeling more energized, healthier, and even a little more excited to tackle the day. What if I told you that the secret to this vibrant energy could be right on your plate? Yes, you read that right. Swapping out some of those meaty meals for plant-based options could completely transform your health. In 2025, the science behind plant-based eating is no longer a trend. It's a proven powerhouse for boosting energy, longevity, and overall wellness. Let's dive into why people everywhere are giving up the beef and reaching for the broccoli. Spoiler alert. It's not just about getting in shape, it's about changing the way you live. Ready to feel like a superhero? Then grab that kale and let's get started the video. Chapter 1. The Plant-Powered Body. What's in it for you? So, what happens to your body when you make the switch to plant-based foods? You might be surprised to learn that a whole lot of good things start happening almost immediately. First up, let's talk about your heart. Yes, that essential organ that keeps you ticking. Studies consistently show that plant-based diets are associated with a lower risk of heart disease. You're probably wondering how. Well, plant-based foods like leafy greens, oats, and nuts help reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and even reverse arterial plaque buildup. Research from the American Heart Association supports this, stating that plant-based eating reduces the risk of coronary artery disease by as much as 32%. Imagine cutting your heart disease risk just by choosing a veggie burger over a beef patty. And it doesn't stop there. The beauty of plant-based diets is that they are naturally lower in calories and high in fiber, which means weight loss is a natural bonus. We're talking about loading up on foods that keep you feeling full longer. No more reaching for that second or third slice of pizza. In fact, the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics published findings showing that people on plant-based diets are on average 20 to 30 pounds lighter than their meat-eating counterparts. Not only are you slimming down, but you're boosting your metabolism in the process. Let's not forget the connection between diabetes and plant-based eating. Research shows that consuming a plant-based diet improves insulin sensitivity, which means your body is better at regulating blood sugar. Chapter 2. The Gut Feeling. How plants love your microbiome. All right, let's talk about your gut, the control center of your digestive and immune system. Did you know that your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and some of them could be working overtime to either help or harm your health? A plant-based diet, rich in fiber from fruits, veggies, and whole grains, is like a buffet for your good gut bacteria. It fuels the right microbiome to help digest food, fight inflammation, and even improve mood. And here's the kicker. These good bacteria can even help reduce your risk of conditions like IBS, Crohn's disease, and even some autoimmune disorders. What's even more interesting? Research from Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health suggests that a plant-based diet can actually improve the diversity of your gut microbiome, which is key to keeping things running smoothly. A diverse microbiome means better digestion, fewer bloating issues, and an immune system that's ready to battle those nasty bugs. Plus, plant-based foods are packed with antioxidants, helping reduce inflammation, which in turn can contribute to improved brain health and lower stress levels. Talk about a gut feeling. Chapter 3. Brain Food, Keeping Your Noggin Sharp. Plant-based foods aren't just about fueling your body. They also have incredible benefits for your brain. You're probably already aware that eating omega-3 fatty acids from fish is supposed to help brain health. But did you know that walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are loaded with plant-based omega-3s? These little powerhouses are not just for your heart. They can help boost memory and enhance cognitive function. Plus, plant-based foods like berries, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables are packed with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in the brain. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition supports that a diet rich in plants can lower the risk of age-related cognitive decline by promoting brain plasticity. In other words, your brain stays sharp for longer. So, if you're looking to keep your mental edge, it might be time to switch up your food choices and start munching on a spinach salad instead of a burger. Chapter 4. The Environmental High Five, Saving the Planet. One bite at a time. You know how people say, vote with your dollar? Well, when it comes to food, choosing plant-based options is like casting a vote for a healthier planet. Meat production contributes to deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions, all of which contribute to climate change. In fact, animal agriculture is responsible for more greenhouse gas emissions than all of the world's cars, trucks, and planes combined. By choosing plant-based meals, you're drastically reducing your carbon footprint. The United Nations even published a report urging people to consider reducing meat consumption to mitigate environmental damage. According to the Journal of Cleaner Production, transitioning to a plant-based diet can reduce your personal carbon footprint by up to 50%. So, every time you swap a beef steak for a bean burrito, you're not only doing wonders for your health, you're contributing to the health of the earth. Chapter 5. Navigating the plant-based world. Tips for a smooth transition. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I even start this whole plant-based thing? Well, here's the good news. You don't have to make drastic changes overnight. The key to making a successful transition is to start small and build as you go. Begin by adding one plant-based meal per week. Yes, just one. Have a meatless Monday where you replace your usual steak with a hearty veggie chili. Then, try to incorporate more plant-based meals throughout the week. And let's be honest, you're probably wondering where you'll get your protein from. The answer: everywhere. Lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and tempeh are all excellent sources of plant protein. Not to mention, quinoa, edamame, and seeds provide the essential amino acids your body needs. Plant-based eating isn't about missing out. It's about getting creative with food. With so many amazing plant-based brands out there, eating plant-based doesn't mean eating bland. In fact, it might just open up a whole new world of flavors, textures, and culinary delights. If cooking feels intimidating, don't worry. There are tons of online resources and communities to help you learn the ropes and find your plant-based groove. Chapter 6. Addressing the elephant in the room. Common concerns. Let's face it, making any lifestyle change brings up questions and concerns, and plant-based eating is no exception. One of the most common fears? Protein. Where will I get my protein, you ask? Here's the thing. Plants have plenty of protein, and in some cases, they have more protein than a piece of chicken. For example, 1 cup of lentils provides 18 grams of protein, while a serving of chickpeas delivers 15 grams. Not to mention, tofu and tempeh are packed with protein and can be easily incorporated into any meal. So, whether you're having a stir-fry, a smoothie, or a burger, there are endless ways to keep your protein intake on point. Then, there's the concern about nutrient deficiencies. While some may worry about missing out on certain vitamins and minerals, with proper planning, a plant-based diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs. You might need to be mindful of B12, but supplementing with B12 is easy and often necessary even for non-plant-based eaters. You can also rely on fortified plant milks, nutritional yeast, and leafy greens to ensure you're meeting all your nutritional needs. That's it for today's video. If you love these plant-powered tips, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more health-boosting content. Stay healthy, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.